So all you want to do now, there's going to be lots in here, but don't worry about that. Just scroll down and you're going to find the software area, which is here. And you want to do a couple of things here. The first one you want to do is click on PHP selector. So click that. And we just want to update the PHP because sometimes, as you can see, the system's default version is 5.4 and sometimes that's going to be configured like that. So if it is, you'll probably see it here, it's going to be on the default. Just select 7.0 and then update that, and then that's all you need to do here. Then click here to go back to your control panel and scroll down again and find software. Here it is. And then click on quick install here. Now click on WordPress and then find your new domain from the drop down here and then click on next. And then here you want to enter a website title, the admin user, first name, last name, and an email address. So make sure that's all correct. Then you want to click here and then click on install to install WordPress to your new domain. And then as you can see, WordPress is installing, it's doing everything for you right now. And then once that is done, you're going to see your username and your password right here, and it's going to say it's installed to, and that's going to be your domain right there. So make sure you copy your username and password. Don't go out of this screen without copying your username and password. I've done it before and it's a real pain in the ass to get these back. So just make sure you write these down, copy and paste them somewhere, and then when you're ready, click on login right here. And then you should see this screen, and this is the login screen to your website. And all you do is enter your username and password and then click on login. And you will see this screen, and this is your website's dashboard. This is like the inside of your website where you can control all kinds of things, from the pages and posts to the whole appearance of your website, the theme and plugins and tools. I'm going to show you that in a moment, but you're going to have a few like notifications come up. So click on the cross to just remove these. We want to keep this nice and organized. So it's not cluttered, so you can see where everything is and you can work efficiently. So I'm going to remove a few of these, such as this one here. This WP form is going to remove that. I'm going to remove that one. You can even remove this one, and I'm going to click on that one right there. You can even minimize these if you want to make it super clean and organized, just like that. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is you'll see a little message up here saying that your site's displaying a coming soon page. I'm going to click here to remove that so I can see what my website's looking like as I create it. That is by far the best way to do things. You don't want to have a coming soon page popping up every time you look at your website. You want to be able to see what it looks like as you're doing it. Alright, so let's start by going to appearance. I'm going to show you how to change the entire look of your website in just literally under a minute. Let's go to appearance and themes. And right now you're going to be on the 2019 theme. It's a good theme, but we're not going to use it. Let's now click on add new theme. And in here is like thousands and thousands of themes, but we've got the best one to use. And that is called Astra, so type that in and search for that. Here it is. Let's click on install. Astra's an amazing theme. It is so flexible and it looks so professional. You can use it for anything, any type of business. If you're an influencer, you can use it to represent yourself and your brand. It's incredible. So there we go. Astra is installed and activated. So now you're going to have this thank you for installing Astra. Let's click on get started, and that is going to take you to the next screen. That's installing the starter sites plugin, I believe. And then it's going to ask you what kind of page builder do you want to use. Now we're going to use Elementor. This is a fairly new website builder and it is the best one to use by a long shot. So let's go with that and then click on next. And then it's taking us into the Astra starter sites. So in here you've got some incredible sites that you can start with if you want to. Some of these are paid, as you can see. It's got some like agency messages or whatever. So Some of these are paid, some of these are free. They're all amazing. It's entirely up to you which one you want to use. But in this video, we're going to go with a completely free one because I don't want you to have to spend any money. I'm doing this